Honey has amazing antioxidant properties known as polyphenols. These wonderful antioxidants can help to boost your immune system and block free radicals in the body, reduce the chances of heart disease, clean wounds and speed up healing to clean hair, moisturize the skin, help the stomach's digestion and be used in cough syrup. It is a great as sweetener, but it's even better for its uses in relieving disorders or complaints. Here is the list of 7 amazing benefits of honey. Number 1. Immunity booster. Honey can boost your immune system. Raw organic honey is rich in enzymes. It contains vitamins and minerals and therefore plays an amazing role in shielding your system from harmful bacteria. Being a great antioxidant, honey heals the skin from deep and giving it that natural glow. Number 2. Improves digestion. Because of honey has amazing medicinal benefits, so it is used for many digestive problems like heartburn or stomach ulcers. It regulates the secretion of gastric juices, while its anti-inflammatory effects help heal and replace digestive mucus membranes. You can consume it before your meals for getting the best result. This is a great remedy for ulcers and excess acid production. Also, it can be used to prevent and treat progressive liver and gallbladder issues. Number 3. Heal wounds. Honey contains anti-inflammatory properties that stimulates the immune system. It lowers the levels of inflammation as well as raising and strengthening the immune system. On top of that, it also lessens pain, speeds up the healing, and soothes annoyances of skin and wounds. In order to use the honey effectively, spread it on the wounds or burn and allow it to dry. Repeat this until the wounds has healed. Number 4. Help to sleep. Honey is rich in vitamins, minerals and essential fatty acids, but it also contains sugars that naturally increase insulin levels and produce serotonin, so it can help to improve the quality of sleep. This hormone is closely related to your moods and provides you with feelings and relaxation. Number 5. Regulates the intestines. Honey can regulate the intestines and it acts a mild laxative to facilitate bowel movements while also fighting intestinal parasites. To enhance its effects, every morning before breakfast, pour a cup of hot water and add a tablespoon of honey and unpasteurized apple cider vinegar. Number 6. Cough syrup. Honey has amazing medicinal benefits. It soothes the throat and helps to draw out the inflammation naturally. Most cough syrups that are homemade call for some type of sweetener. Rather than using a sugar that has chemicals added to it, use honey. Number 7. Skin masks. Honey is the best and most natural moisturizers. Unlike oils, it prevents your skin from drying out without adding a greasy texture, making it the perfect choice for a mask for all skin types, dry, combination and oily. Acne-prone skin can also benefit from honey due to its antibacterial properties. You should apply a thin layer of honey all over your face and leave it on for 30 minutes and then wash your skin with warm water.